So, you're an AI creator, right? You're probably laser focused on the what, the code, the models, the prompts, all the amazing stuff you're building. But what about the who? You know, the people who actually need to see all that hard work. Well, that's what we're diving into today. This is all about digital marketing. Okay, let's just get right to it with a kinda tough question. Think about it. You pour hours, maybe even weeks into a project. You build something absolutely groundbreaking with AI. But what happens if it just sits there? If nobody sees it, did it really have the impact you wanted? Honestly, this is the one thing that trips up so many brilliant creators. And that right there, that's exactly where digital marketing comes in. It's the solution. Seriously, think of it like a bridge. On one side, you've got your incredible creation. On the other, the audience that's just waiting to discover it. Marketing is that bridge. It's not some optional extra. It's the engine that actually gets your work out into the world and gives it a voice. You know, this challenge is so common it even has a name. Let's call it the creator's dilemma. It's that constant back and forth, right? The pure joy you get from making something cool versus the, let's be honest, sometimes tedious work of getting people to see it. It's a real gap, and it's where a lot of us can get stuck.
And look, the stakes here are super high. Let's break it down. Without marketing, you're looking at limited visibility. Your amazing work might just stay a creative hobby. But when you add marketing to the mix, bam, you get amplified reach. You can actually start to monetize your skills, and doors to real career opportunities start swinging open. We're talking about the difference between shouting into the void and becoming a recognized voice in your space.
I know. The word marketing can sound kinda big and scary, maybe even a little sleazy. But trust me, it doesn't have to be like that at all. So let's just pull back the curtain and demystify this thing, okay?
When you boil it all down, digital marketing is really, really simple. It's just promoting the stuff you make using online tools to get it in front of the right people. That's it. It's about being intentional, moving from just randomly posting stuff to actually building connections.
And the best part? This isn't happening on some mysterious, far-off platform. It's happening in places you're probably already using every single day. We're talking about Google, right? So people can actually find you. We're talking about Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it, building a real community. Or having your own website or blog as a home base. Each one of these is just a different stage where you get to show people what you've got.
Look, if you take away just one thing, let it be this. In today's world, if you don't have an online presence, you don't have growth. Period. It's not a nice to have anymore. It's absolutely fundamental if you want to make any kind of impact. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does this all fit together in the real world? Well, it all comes down to what I like to call the growth trinity. It's these three core pillars that absolutely have to work in sync.
So here's how it all stacks up. First, you've got your content. That's the amazing stuff you're creating. The posts, the videos, the projects. Then you wrap that in your branding. This is your vibe, your style, basically how people recognize and remember you. And then marketing. Well, that's the rocket ship that launches both of those out into the world.
And here's the really crucial part. You need all three. You can't skip a step. Got great content but zero marketing? It's just going to sit there. All marketing but no real substance? People will see right through it, and you'll never build a brand. But when you get all three working together in harmony, whoa, that's when you stop just getting views and you start building real authority.
Really, at the end of the day, you can think of it like a simple equation. Your awesome content plus smart marketing equals real-world impact. It's as simple as that.
Okay, now we get to the really good part, the part that's specifically for you. As an AI creator, you're not just starting from scratch here. Oh no, you have a massive, massive advantage over almost everyone else. Let's talk about your secret weapon, the AI advantage. Think about it. AI is already completely changing the game in marketing. It's writing ad copy, crunching huge amounts of audience data, running customer service chatbots. It's making everything faster and smarter. Now imagine you, with your skills, building a model to analyze feedback on your latest project, or using AI to totally automate your social media strategy. This isn't some futuristic idea. This is happening right now, and you're already on the inside track.
And this is the key takeaway right here. Your AI skills aren't some separate thing from marketing. They are a literal superpower for marketing. You already get how these tools work. You understand the tech that's shaping the future of how people connect online. This means you don't just have to do marketing, you can actually innovate and lead the way.
So let's just tie this all up. At the end of the day, this isn't just about chasing vanity metrics like likes and views. It's about something so much bigger. It's about making sure your hard work gets seen by the people who need to see it. It's about being remembered for what you bring to the table. And it's about creating real, honest-to-goodness opportunities for yourself.
So what's your path from here? It's actually pretty straightforward. Step 1, learn the marketing fundamentals. Just get that basic strategy down. Step 2, leverage those amazing AI skills you already have to put everything on steroids. And step 3, combine those two things to build a powerful, memorable brand that lasts.
So I'll just leave you with this one thought. Your AI skills are already incredibly powerful. There's no doubt about that. The only question left is, are you ready to amplify them?